Today, you will learn how to make a picture transparent in Word step by step. First, go to the Insert tab. Click Pictures and choose the image you want to use. Once the picture is inserted, click on it to select it. Make sure the Picture Format tab appears at the top. If needed, you can resize or crop the image by dragging its corners. Next, stay on the Picture Format tab and click the Transparency button. You'll see several transparency preview options. Simply hover over them to preview the effect, then click the one you like to apply it. If you want more control, click Transparency and then select Transparency Options. A panel will open on the right side where you can use the transparency slider to set the exact transparency percentage you want. You can also use the Format Picture panel to adjust picture corrections, colors, presets, and cropping to improve the overall image quality. If you'd like to place text on top of the transparent image, right-click the picture, select Wrap Text, and then choose Behind Text. Now, simply type your text and it will appear in front of the image while the transparent picture stays in the background. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.